Asian recipe is one of the most delicious food and they are definitely underrated. Hello sweet fingers lovers, it's your favorite girl again Chef Boss, and on today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make this delicacy in 5 minutes. These are the most important ingredients we'll be using. That's our grated pepper, our onion, oil, corn flour, shrimps, egg, then our bell peppers and carrots, sesame oil, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, then our grated ginger and garlic paste, and these are all the ingredients. In the pot, we're going to add our oil and then our shrimps mixed together. Then we're just going to allow this to boil in our dark soy sauce, and I'll allow this to boil it up for just 2 minutes, between 2 minutes, because the shrimps I'm using are little shrimps, they are not the bigger prawns, so we're just going to cover it. Then after that, our shrimps is ready, so we're just going to mix together and we're just going to set it aside. Then we're just going to add our sesame oil, our grated onion mixed together. After that, we're just going to mix in our grated pepper. Then we're also going to mix together. Then time for us to add in our ginger and garlic paste, just a little bit. So we're also going to mix that together. Next step is our bell peppers and our carrot. That's the yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and our carrots. Then we're going to mix this together. After mixing it together, we're just going to add our dark soy sauce from our shrimps. Mind you, it's not yet time for us to add our shrimps, so we're just going to mix together. Then we're going to add a little bit of our light soy sauce, then also our corn starch, that's our corn flour, then mix together. And after that, we're just going to add our boiled egg. Mind you, I added a little bit of water to this. Now this is how it looks like. So we're just going to add our shrimps, mix together. I just allowed this to boil for just 15 to 20 seconds. And our food is ready. Time for us to serve. So this is how our recipe looks like. So tell me, my sweet fingers lovers, would you be trying this recipe? This is so easy and definitely so delicious. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to watch our other videos. Do not forget to share for your family and friends. Do not forget to recreate this recipe and also watch our other videos and try our other recipes. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.